how to install BetMGM SportsBook app. So let's just tap to get it and then double click to install, and then you'll just be able to easily install this app. You can see it's in the top charts, it's number 17 in sports. There are so many betting apps, but this is one of the top ones. It says it has over 160,000 ratings. And score on your first football bet with BetMGM Sportsbook's first bet offer. If that bet loses, you will get your original stake paid back in bonus bets up to $1,500. Brought to you by the world's leading resource in casinos, BetMGM Sportsbook is a premier online sports betting destination for all major professional and college sports. Experience the excitement of betting on major football, baseball, basketball, hockey, MMA, soccer, and tennis leagues include NBA, NFL, NHL, MLB, MLS, and UFC. So yeah, you can just experience that. Bet on all your favorite sporting events, all your favorite sports and teams, betting markets for any style, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and that's the idea. So then you can just need to select where you're playing from. It's only available in United States. I'm not even sure if it's available from all countries, like from all states, I mean. And then you can just allow notifications, and then yeah, from here you can just sign up like that. Then you can just see home, up to $1,500 back in bonus bets. So here you can see some your bets. Then of course, to place bets, you need to create an account. You can log in with Yahoo Sports. I don't know if this app is basically was bought by Yahoo, and then there are some promotions which you can see, and then there is your account. So yeah, that's basically the idea. If you like betting, give a try to this app.